What's going on, everybody? You're watching Oscorp. Today we're going to open up Astral Radiance Booster Box number 5. As of this box, my current TG hit count is at 16. We're going to open up this box and we're going to see if we can get any more trainer gallery cards so we can go and get closer to that completion. If you've already seen my videos, you know how this is going to work. And if this is your first time viewing, watch booster box number 3. I'm going to leave a card here for you. You're going to see how things go. So let's get into this pack. Be right back. Alright, here we go for the first booster pack. Not my favorite. Got a Radiant Hawlucha. For some reason, I've been seeing Hawlucha and Heatran, but not Greninja. What's going on? Duckbutt. This is feeling like the other box. Beedrill. This is definitely feeling like box number 4. I got a Rainbow Troy. Trainer Gallery. Oh! And we got a gold card. Holy crap. Nice. I need this one. And I definitely want this one. Machamp VMAX. Yeah. Alright, that was it for the first half. Here we go for the second half. Transfer. There's another trainer gallery card. Oh, the Xtian I. V-Star. Xtian Samurai. Nice. Oh, I got a Xtian Sneasler alt art. Check that out. And it's way off centered. That's dope. Another trainer gallery. And a Luxray. Got another Duckbutt. Ah, trainer gallery. Okay, last pack magic for this booster box. Let's get it. I hate this card. Wow, that was a pretty crazy booster box. I'm gonna go and gather all these together. We're gonna do a quick recap. So we have a total of 16 hits, and if you don't want to count the Radiant cards, then it's 14. But here is the first card, which is Xtian Samurott V, Luxray V. I like this one a lot. Look at the background, it's really cool. I hate this card, Oranguru V, but you know what, the colors are really nice in the back, but his face, this guy, not so much. And my niece's Duck Butt Heatran. Not too much of a fan of Beedrill. Got Radiant Halucha. Look at that shine. Looks cool. Japanese looks better, but I want some Japanese Radiant cards actually. Heatran, Radiant, Duckbutt. Got the Machamp VMAX card. And we have a Hisuian Decidueye V-Star. Looks cool. And then we have a Rainbow Choi. I was checking out the pattern, the texture pattern, and there's like these crosses, like cross etching. Do you guys see that right here? I think that looks really cool. I usually don't like the rainbow cards because they're not as cool to me. But and then also like the shine is like really sparkly and glittery, so it's kind of hard to like tell on the camera. So. These things were cool to me in the beginning, but they started losing its appeal. But it's cool. Then we got this gold card, which I actually like the gold cards in this set. They have like these gold outlinings all over the place, and there's one, I forgot what it is, but it's like a winter setting. There's like a path or something, and there's like this big snowflake in the front, which is really cool, and that one has gold outline, and I thought that was really dope. Then we have the Hisuian Sneasler alternate art. I know this is some people's chases, and I'm pretty happy to pull this one. It looks nice. For the main reason why I'm opening up Astral Radiance, honestly, is the Trainer Gallery subset. So I have 4, which is a lot more than any of the other boxes that I've opened, so that's pretty cool. I do have this one, Bronzong, and I do have Phalanx, but this one's a new one. And this one's a new one as well. So I'm really happy to have 2 more, although it would be nice to have 4 more, just so we can close up that gap pretty quickly. But I still have a couple more booster boxes to go. Hopefully I can get some more. If not, we're gonna go and buy them at the store. Now I'm in Poke Collector. Maybe it's called Poke Collector, but it's just put together. I got Frostmoth. That's checked off now, and I also have Alistair. Oh, I already have Alistair. Wow. Okay, so my bad. I only got 1 out of this booster box. Well, you know what? I'm a little disappointed that I didn't manage my own cards properly. So I only got 1, and 1 Trainer Gallery card, which I'm not too happy about. But I did get all these other cards, which is great. So thank you again for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video, straight to the point because we mean business, and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video.